Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video basically to do one English speaking practice of cue card. So currently today for speaking in this video I've chosen one cue card which is about basically uh, like taking a difficult decision that you take in your life. So this is the cue card which I've picked for speaking in this video. I hope you watch this video till the end, so you'll realize how many difficulties you will face if you are starting from the scratch and want to basically go to the top. So you need to basically do practice of English language so that you can basically start speaking in front of people. That is what most important part, and that is what I'm doing. So let's jump into this video. I try to basically at least speak for more than 2 minutes. That is my goal is. So let's start it. So if I talk about, there are multiple decisions I have taken, but I didn't realize the decision which I have taken it is right or wrong. But once some sort of time I have spent after taking that decision, I realized that there are decisions which are made right and there are some which are wrong. So for doing that, I basically take it some sort of time nowadays. But in my initially days, I try to take decision very fast and without thinking of anything, right? So nowadays, whenever you get mature or you can get old, you take some sort of time in taking some sort of decision. And one thing which I want to basically express in this video, that is about taking one decision which is in my initial days, and I realized that that is what most important, because the decision which I've taken at the point was like I've enrolled myself in coaching center for improving my English language, but due to some lack of basically what we say attention to the tutor, I didn't feel like I need to basically spend my money over there and just try to basically depend on them to basically focus on me, because that is kind of I feel like why I'm doing that, because you need, at the end you realize that you need to do the practice by yourself. Then after you can basically start speaking. So that's what I realize after spending so much of time by myself, and along with that this is the brave decision which I've taken in my initial days, and feel like basically the money which I've spent over there I can spend in myself, and there are other accessories I can basically get from that particular field. So this is the decision which I've taken, and that is for the cue card, and I found that this is the right way to do the practice. And so if I talk about the last video which I uploaded, I've seen and I've listened that as well, I found out there is too much thing which needs to be done right in a right way, and I'm taking that sort of mistakes and write down them and just try to at least not going to repeat that mistake again in this video or upcoming videos as well. And if you are new here, so you can subscribe to my channel and watch my previous videos as well, where I uploaded multiple other cue card as well. So this is this method I feel like great. If you do have a suggestion some sort of, so you can comment in the below. So bye bye, have a good day.